everyone, today I will present our project introduction and company profiles. This study evaluates the financial sustainability and operational efficiency of Gamuda Berhad and Serba Dynamic from 2020 to 2022. As shown in our overview table, these two companies operate in completely different industries. Gamuda is a giant in the global construction and engineering sector, focusing on mega infrastructure projects like MRT. On the other hand, Serba Dynamic provides energy and oil and gas services, focusing on engineering solutions and maintenance. Their financial health also shows a huge contrast. Gamuda is a healthy, stable company trading on the Bursa main market. Meanwhile, Serba Dynamic is currently a distressed company under PN17 status due to its severe corporate and financial crisis.
Based on the statement of financial position, Gamuda and Serba Dynamic demonstrate different asset structures and financial position. Gamuda's assets are mainly concentrated in property, plant and equipment and long-term infrastructure assets, reflecting the capital-intensive nature of its construction business. The strong asset base support financial stability and long-term growth. In contrast, Serba Dynamic recorded a high proportion of trade and other receivables, indicating a heavy reliance on credit sales and potential liquidity concerns. This exposed the company to greater financial risk, especially during its 2021 auditing issues. Overall, Gamuda exhibits a stronger and more stable financial position.
Profitability analysis shows a clear difference between Gamuda Berhad and Serba Dynamic Holdings Berhad. Gamuda recorded stable performance from 2020 to 2022, with net profit increasing despite the COVID-19 impact, showing strong cost management and operational efficiency. In contrast, Serba Dynamic faced sharp decline. Although it recorded Rm 8.61 billion revenue in 2021, for an 18-month period, revenue dropped significantly to Rm 1.35 billion in 2022. At the same time, net losses widened due to operational disruption, impairment losses, cash flow issues, and financial reporting problems. Overall, Gamuda shows financial stability, while Serba Dynamic reflects financial distress.
Hi everyone, today we are looking at corporate financial distress using the Altman Z-score. This model uses 5 core financial ratios, measuring liquidity, profitability, operating efficiency, and solvency, and asset turnover to predict bankruptcy risk. When we compare two major Malaysian companies using official Bursa Malaysia data, the contrast is stark. Gamuda Berhad consistently scored above 2.99, placing it firmly in the safe zone with strong fundamentals. On the other hand, Serba Dynamic plunged deep into the distress zone, scoring well below 1. Why did Serba Dynamic collapse? The financial statements reveal critical red flags. First, catastrophic net losses that wiped out equity, and overwhelming debt load exceeding 1.2 billion ringgit, and severe cash flow shortage that triggered defaults. Ultimately, unresolved audit discrepancies forced a PN17 distress classification and final delisting. In conclusion, the Z-score is a vital tool, proving that healthy liquidity keeps companies like Gamuda stable, while structural debt can cause rapid collapse.
This section presents the forecasting, corporate governance, and also MFRS analysis for Gamuda Berhad and Serba Dynamic Holdings Berhad. Based on the forecast, Gamuda is expected to achieve steady revenue growth due to its strong infrastructure and property projects. In contrast, Serba Dynamic is projected to experience lower and unstable growth because of its financial and operational challenges. In terms of corporate governance, Gamuda demonstrates stronger board independence, risk management, and also diversity and transparency. Meanwhile, Serba Dynamic needs further improvements in these areas to strengthen governance quality and also reward investor confidence. For MFRS compliance, both companies generally comply with MFRS 8 and MFRS 121, but Gamuda provides more comprehensive disclosures compared to Serba Dynamic.